Hi everybody, this is Zach from Revolution Group again, and I'm here today to show you how to create a meeting through Zoom. So first we'll go ahead and show how to do this through the web browser. The easiest way to do so would be to click Schedule a Meeting in the top right corner once you sign into your account. Here you can go ahead and start to put in the details for your meeting, such as the meeting topic, as well as a description for it, as well as when it's going to be, the duration, the time zone, etc. So we'll go ahead and change this to 8:30. Just for an example, we will make this not a recurring meeting. And then here's two sort of security settings for your meeting. The first is being meeting ID. Generally, each user account has their own personal meeting ID. As you can see here, this is my 10-digit number. There's meetings that can also be generated with automatic meeting IDs, which is what this is sent to by default here. If you're okay with having this set up and generally automated every single time, you can just go ahead and leave it at that. But if you want it to use your personal meeting ID every single time, you can go ahead and select that as an option. For the second option here regarding the meeting password, this setting here requires attendees to put in a password before they're actually able to get added to the meeting here. You can enable and disable this just by clicking the check mark there. And then this password can be removed and changed to a separate password if you want to change it to something that's more fitting for the meeting or something that's more fitting of a password that you seem fit. Next, we have some video and audio settings. Video both for the host and participants, whether you want just the host to be able to have their video on or just the participants or a mix and match of these two settings. And then secondly, for the audio, this is where you can set it to where you want your meeting to just be over the telephone, over just the computer audio, or a mixture of both. Generally, it's good to set this as both. Then lastly, we have a couple of additional meeting options. Mainly these are all regarding the whether you want users to be able to join the meeting before the hosts themselves, regarding the waiting room, and then regarding if you're wanting to record this locally on your computer. So enable join before a host. Generally, this will be disabled as we don't want anyone to be able to join the meeting before the host does. Secondly, this muting participants upon entry is usually also recommended to keep this disabled just so users could be able to speak right when they do get entered. This enable waiting room is enabled and we recommend keeping this enabled. This is similar to the lobby, which is used in Microsoft Teams, which is just a little area that users attending the meeting get placed into where they then have to be allowed into the meeting and actually be able to start to speak with other individuals and share their screen through the meeting as well. Then lastly here, which this option by default is normally disabled as well, is on if you want to generally record the meeting through Zoom on your local computer. This can also be turned on and disabled through the actual meeting itself once you're in the Zoom meeting. So usually general rule of thumb, we suggest keeping this disabled as well. And then once you have all of your settings picked to your preference here, you can go ahead and click save. And this will save your meeting here. And then you can send your meeting out through this join URL link right here, as well as you will want to send out the meeting password to any users who will be attending your meeting. If you do have any additional questions regarding this Zoom tutorial or have any additional questions regarding features with Zoom, feel free to reach out to us at 614-212-1122 and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you and have a good rest of your night.